Good afternoon, class 12th. As I had given a deep explanation regarding the topic importance of business environment, so I hope this video will be helpful for my class 12th students. Please pay attention. As I told you that formulating or analysis of the business environment before making plans, before making strategies, before making any minor strategy or major strategies by the company form of organization, it is very important for our company to ascertain what are the various factors, figures, or tones, or flows, or curves that are going on in the business environment, because it can be possible that business can take any wrong decision just because of not having a deep analysis of the business environment on time or before time. And due to that, destruction can be done, and the result may comes to the sales volume and its existence for a long run. Okay, so it is very important for a business to ascertain the factors and flows, turns, and curves of the business environment that are there. For business environment is very important. Why? Because as I told you, why? Because definitely, number one, it helps in the formulation of the strategy for the strategy formation, for strategies formation. Business is incomplete without strategies. Okay, business must be ready with various kinds of strategies, and strategies must be drawn before a deep study. Strategies has to be drawn after the formulation of, after a deep study and deep analysis of the business environment. Is that clear? Secondly, understanding changes in the environment. For a manager who will be drawing various laws, various rules, various strategies, policies for the company, for that it is very important to understand what are the changes which are there in the environment. If he will not understand, how come he will introduce any change in the business? So for that, not only ascertain is only first part. Second part, it is very important for a manager to understand those factors and figures, what are the changes which are going on, because then only he will be able to introduce those means changes in the policies or strategies according to the changes that are there in the business environment. Then third is ensuring managerial efficiency. So definitely, managerial efficiency, as I told you, that manager that must be that much of intellectual smart, and his foresightedness must be very much keen and clean and proper. Why? Because if he will not be foresighted, if he will not be that much of if he will not be that much of intellectual mind, he will not be able to ascertain the flows and turns of the business environment. He will not be able to understand, or most importantly, he will not be able to ascertain मतलब खोज के निकालना। ये जो सोच है ना, ये बहुत कीन और क्लीन होनी चाहिए एक मैनेजर की। आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? So basically, this analysis also helps a manager to become more efficient and effective in his or her work, and hence it leads to the increase in the managerial efficiency. Okay, then next is tracing opportunities and threat. That is the fourth point, tracing opportunities and threats. See, there are many factors, ऐसे कई factors हैं जो हमारे environment में हैं, जो हमारे लिए opportunities भी हो सकती हैं और threats भी हो सकती हैं। तो ये opportunities और ये threats opportunities हम कब grab कर पाएंगे? Obviously, when we will have a deep study of our environment. Until unless we will not have a deep study of the environment, how come we will be able to grab our opportunities that are there in the environment? और as a result हम कोई opportunity खो सकते हैं, और as a result ये भी हो सकता है कि हम कोई threat अपने सर पे लगा ले, ये भी हो सकता है ना? So it is very important to ascertain the factors that are there in the business environment very properly and very cleanly. Why? Because it can be possible. There are many various opportunities that a company can grab, so a company can grab that opportunity, and the threat needed to be eliminated before time only, not after the destruction. Okay. Fifth is evaluating risk factors. Definitely, it is very important to evaluate various kinds of risk factors that are there in the environment. Why? Because once it will enter our organization, the destruction will be done. So, before that destruction only, a manager must ascertain what are the risk factors that can come to our company or on the gates of the company. So, before that only, those risk factors must be ascertained and eliminated. Next is knowing the strength of the competitors. As in the class, for example, class 12th, as in the class also, a topper must know the real position of second topper and third topper. It can be possible कि वो आपसे और अच्छे पैकेज बन रहे हैं. It can be possible, और हो सकता है वो नेक्स्ट टर्म में आपसे आगे चले जाए. Yes or no? So for that also, a topper must be aware of the position of the second topper and third topper. Okay. So similarly, a company also must know the real position of his competitors, where they are standing. Do they are more healthy and wealthy, or they are weak than that in comparison to us? So basically, company must know the real position of the competitors as well. And when a company will know the strength of the competitors, when it will have a keen study of the business environment. Okay. Then last, but not at all the least, that is the deciding the course of action. What is the meaning of the word course of action? Course of action means आने वाले समय के काम को step by step decide करना. Okay, in Hindi. That is, what are the steps, what are the procedures, what are the plan, what will be the strategies that we will be making, okay, that needed to be decided before time only. And when we will be making these plans, those strategies, those policies, those procedures step by step, कब बना सकते हैं, कब ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं हम? Once a detailed study of the business environment is being done, after that only a fruitful course of action will be decided. Okay. हम कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन बिना भी बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट को स्टडी किए भी बना सकते हैं, बट इट विल नॉट एट ऑल बी फ्रूटफुल एट ऑल. दैट इज वाई वंस अ डीप स्टडी विल बी डन ऑफ द बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट, दैट ओनली अ course of action must be decided. This much for today. Stay home, stay safe.